guys, you're welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much. If you are new to this channel, you're welcome. If you are old subscribers, God bless you for your support. So today I'm back with another recipe. Yes, this is how I make my meat pie sometimes. Yes, it's very healthy, very healthy. So you can see the ingredients we have there. We have peas, we have carrots, we have bell pepper. We have a lot of colors. We have green, red, and the yellow. We have salt and nutmeg. We have onions. We have boneless chicken, which I will slice later. We have potato. I've already boiled it. I've already cooked it. So we have our wheat flour, 200 gram. We have butter, 200 gram of butter. And we have a pepper nero, which is black pepper. Then we start. This is what I use to smash my potato, boiled potato. If you don't have this, you can use your hand to smash it. Yes, this one is easier for me and it makes it so smooth. So this is a very healthy meat pie. Sometimes you do this for healthy eating. This is not just only snacks, you can use it as your dinner. It contains all ingredients inside. So you can see I'm smashing my potatoes. So I will start by mixing all of them together. This is my flour with the potato that I smashed. Then you add the butter. Then this is the nutmeg and also salt. You mix very well. You don't need to add water. The potato there is okay. We don't need water, we don't need milk. And there is no egg, no. But you can add egg if you like. There's no also baking powder, no. This is oil. You can use any oil of your choice. Extra virgin oil, groundnut oil, any one you want. Coconut oil. This is the onions. Start by frying. Fry it a little bit before you add the chicken, sliced chicken. That is the boneless. In Italy we call it petto di pollo. So try to fry it a little. Then you start adding other things. This is black pepper. Stock cube. Yeah. Look at this color. This is bell pepper, yellow, green, and red. Carrot. And peas. Allow to cook for some time. So back to my dough. This is the dough I made earlier on. So this is the time to fill it. Just a normal way of making our meat pie. But remember that this is the dough was made up of potato and the wheat flour. Try this, you will love it so much. And not only that, it's very healthy. So remember to on your oven 180 degrees. After that, you coat it with egg and put in the oven. So look at the final stage of it. Subscribe and like this video.